Hello, I'm going to show you how to make crochet foundation cord, a nice alternative to start your crochet projects with. Before we start our cord, we need to measure out 3 times the length of what we would like our cord to be. And now make a slip knot. You will have your working yarn behind your work and your tail in front of your work. Insert your hook, make sure your tail's in front and your working yarn is at the back. Now get your tail and hook it over your hook from front to back, and then yarn over and pull through these 2 loops on your hook. Let me show you this again. Tail goes over your hook from front to back, and then yarn over your working yarn and pull through 2 loops. Tail over and then yarn over and pull through 2. And this is how you make crochet foundation cord. It's a nice alternative to regular chain and single crochet stitches, and it's quite easy to make once you get the hang of how to hold your yarn.